All right, let's add an SSL to our site. Start by going to our hosted domains and SSL certificates. And we'll go ahead and navigate and find our domain that our subdomain. We can use to filter if you have a lot and filter down the list. We'll go over to the right under Actions, and there we're going to click Add SSL Certificate. When we do this, we're going to select the Request Let's Encrypt certificate for your site, of course. It's a free SSL certificate. And then we're going to choose our shared IP for SSL. And then, of course, we'll go ahead and click Activate SSL Certificate. This process can take a few minutes. It actually can take a few hours, or it can take a few seconds. It's a process where it actually has to go out and get the SSL, bring it back, apply it to the server, and make a bunch of changes, which also, as we'll see, our site won't be immediately available in most cases, most of the time, in HTTPS. We'll actually have to return at a later time after all the changes have been applied and the server has been set up for it. But we can go validate it by, again, filtering for it, and we can see under type that we have a little padlock, and it's showing that we are now encrypted. So let's go back to hosted domains. We can go under find our domain, subdomain, filter it out, and we should see our SSL padlock under SSL, which we do. So let's go ahead and let's see if we're lucky and validate the site itself, the HTTPS, by clicking on the domain and then clicking on the link to take us out. We can see our domain is there that we set up. And let's put HTTPS in front of it. I doubt it's going to work at this time. And it's just going to spin, and that's normal. So if you come back in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even an hour, your site will still work, just not in HTTPS until all the configurations have been completed and everything is in place. And that's how we apply an SSL to a subdomain or a domain. So we'll see you next time.